You thought traveling light meant freedom, right? No checked bag, no fees, just smooth sailing through the airport. But 2025 has a different plan for you. You arrive early, your carry-on packed perfectly, every item in its place. And then it happens. A gate agent slaps a bright yellow tag on your bag, and just like that, your so-called freedom is gone. This isn't a mistake, it's not bad luck. It's the modern travel trap, engineered to confuse, frustrate, and quietly cost you money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take back control, outsmart the system, and finally travel on your terms, without the stress, the fees, or the gate drama. And by the way, if you want to travel like a pro, I've linked my TSA-approved travel essentials in the description below. The same items I never fly without. So make sure to subscribe for more insider travel tips and tricks, because in 2025, smart travelers don't just fly, they outsmart.
Part 1. The illusion of free carry-on. For years, airlines sold us the dream that carry-ons were free. No waiting at baggage claim, no hidden charges, just you and your bag. But that illusion is fading fast. Today, that free carry-on could quietly cost you $65 at the gate. Sometimes it's called a convenience fee, sometimes priority boarding. But it's all the same trick. Money for the same bag you've carried for years. And it gets worse. You follow every rule, measure every inch, pass security, only to have a gate agent tell you there's no space left. Suddenly, your bag, with your laptop, your meds, maybe your camera, disappears into the cargo hold. That's not bad luck. It's engineered confusion. A system built to make you feel powerless, while airlines profit from every inch of overhead bin space. What used to be convenience is now a business model, and most travelers don't even realize it. Part 2. Gate lice and boarding chaos. The moment your gate number appears on the screen, it begins. The slow swarm of anxious travelers inching toward the boarding lane. You've seen it before. People blocking the walkway, clutching their bags like treasure, scanning the agent's every move. Frequent flyers call it gate lice, that desperate crowd that forms long before their group is even called. And honestly, you can't blame them. Everyone's trying to claim the same limited overhead space before it vanishes. It's survival of the fastest. You can line up early, rush the gate, even plead your case, but the system isn't designed to be beaten by brute force. The boarding order, the bin space, even the so-called priority passes, they're all part of a game the airlines already control. But here's the twist most travelers miss. The smartest flyers don't fight the chaos, they sidestep it. There's a way to bypass this mess completely. No running, no paying extra, no yellow tags. It's called the personal item strategy, and it's the real key to traveling stress-free in 2025.
Part 3. The hidden power of the personal item. Here's the truth no one tells you. Sometimes freedom means carrying less. That shiny roller bag you drag through every airport, it's not convenience anymore. It's a liability. The real power lies in something smaller, smarter, and often overlooked, your personal item. When you rely on a personal item, the game changes completely. No surprise gate fees, no last-minute check-ins, no begging for overhead space. It flies for free every single time. And most importantly, it never leaves your sight. Your laptop, your medication, your passport, the things that actually matter, stay with you from takeoff to landing. No stress, no panic, just peace of mind. Picture this. While everyone else is fighting for bin space, arguing with gate agents, you're already seated, calm, headphones on, waiting for takeoff. That's what real travel freedom looks like. It's not about how much you carry, it's about how much control you keep. Part 4. Packing like a pro. Once you stop relying on a roller bag, the next question hits fast. How can I possibly fit everything I need into one small bag? The secret isn't magic, it's method. Frequent travelers swear by the Ranger roll, also known as the Army roll. It's not just folding, it's a strategy. You tightly roll each piece of clothing into compact cylinders that save bulk, prevent wrinkles, and make every inch of space count. Suddenly, that tiny backpack doesn't feel so tiny anymore. Then there's the real game changer, compression packing cubes. These slim zippered pouches squeeze the air out of your clothes, giving you room for double the outfits without the clutter. With this combo, a 5-day trip easily fits into a single underseat personal bag. Shirts, jeans, toiletries, even a pair of shoes. And when you use TSA-approved travel essentials like clear toiletry bags, compact chargers, and security-friendly locks, everything flows seamlessly through checkpoints. No stress, no unpacking drama, no delays. This is how modern travelers move: light, organized, and in control. The bag may be small, but when packed right, it carries like a pro suitcase.
Part 5. Choosing the right bag. Even after mastering smart packing, many travelers still fail at the gate. And it's not because they packed wrong, it's because they picked the wrong bag. Airlines don't measure your intention, they measure dimensions. What looks small to you might actually exceed the limit by just an inch, and that inch can cost you $65 and a trip to cargo. Here's the loophole most travelers never notice. Every airline publishes its personal item size restrictions, and they're often more generous than you think. The trip is to maximize those exact dimensions without crossing the line. That's how you beat the system legally. A structured undersea backpack, like the Nomad Lane bento bag or similar designs, is the perfect example. It's firm enough to hold its shape, slim enough to slide easily under the seat, and compartmentalized like a mini suitcase. Your clothes, tech, and toiletries all stay organized, and you never have to worry about an agent questioning your bag again. Picture this: while others struggle to shove roller bags into overhead bins, you glide past, place your compact backpack neatly under the seat, and relax. No chaos, no confrontation, just smooth, effortless boarding, the way travel should feel. Part 6. In-flight habits for comfort and tech safety. Once you're seated, the real travel experience begins, and this is where the small habits separate the pros from the passengers. First, the legroom hack. Everyone complains about tight space, but there's a simple fix most travelers overlook. After takeoff, slide your personal bag slightly backward with your foot, just a few inches. It instantly frees up legroom without bothering the person behind you. That tiny adjustment can turn a cramped seat into something surprisingly comfortable. Next, your laptop safety. Never, ever store it in the seat back pocket. Those pockets aren't just shallow, they're crushed, stretched, and sometimes full of spilled drinks or hidden crumbs. Keep your laptop in a padded sleeve inside your personal bag right under the seat. It's protected, accessible, and safe from sudden turbulence. And here's a detail most people never think about: hygiene. Seat back pockets are one of the germiest places on the entire plane. Used tissues, old wrappers, and even dirty diapers have been found there. Keep your essentials in a clean pouch or organizer from your TSA-approved set instead. These tiny habits might seem minor, but together they transform your flight. More comfort, more control, and total peace of mind from takeoff to landing.
Part 7. TSA Bottleneck Survival. Every traveler knows that sinking feeling. The security line grinds to a halt, trays pile up, and someone's bag just got pulled aside for additional screening. It's frustrating, but there's a reason it happens so often. Most delays at TSA aren't random. They're triggered by the same simple mistakes: oversized liquids, hidden powders, sharp tools, or lithium batteries tossed in the wrong bag. Even snacks can trip the system. Foil-wrapped food, dense protein bars, or metal-packed toiletries look suspicious on scanners, forcing agents to stop and dig. Every extra minute at that checkpoint pushes you closer to a delayed boarding call, or worse, losing your seat on a packed flight. The smartest flyers have a pre-flight ritual. They check the TSA banned and restricted items list before every trip because rules change constantly. And if you're unsure about something new, from travel-size sprays to power banks, you can message TSA directly on social media for a quick answer. It's fast, official, and it saves you stress at the gate. Smooth security isn't luck, it's preparation. When you know what to pack, where to pack it, and how to move efficiently, you don't just save time, you travel with peace of mind. Because in air travel,
Calm is the ultimate luxury. Part 8. The freedom of traveling light. Once you experience it, you'll never go back. That moment when you walk through the airport with just one perfectly packed personal item, no roller bag, no dragging, no stress. It feels like freedom disguised as minimalism. While everyone else is wrestling their suitcases into overhead bins, arguing with gate agents or waiting for their zone to be called, you just glide past it all. Calm, collected, unbothered. Your essentials are right where they belong, under the seat within reach. Laptop, charger, passport, snacks, all safe, all organized, all yours. You're not at the mercy of baggage handlers or airline policy shifts or gate announcements. You're in control again. And when the plane lands, you stand, grab your bag, and walk straight out. No waiting at the carousel, no wondering if your luggage made the connection. Just freedom. The kind of peace you only realize you've been missing once you finally feel it. Because traveling light isn't about giving things up. It's about taking something back. Your time, your comfort, and your calm. And in a world designed to keep you chasing upgrades and paying fees, real freedom is the smartest luxury you can have.
Traveling light isn't about giving up. It's about taking back what really matters: your comfort, your time, and your calm. One well-packed personal item is more than luggage. It's freedom in your hands, the key to stress-free travel in 2025. If this video helped you rethink the way you fly, do yourself a favor. Like it, share it with that one friend who still drags a heavy suitcase everywhere, and subscribe for more insider hacks that airlines don't want you to know. And stay tuned. In the next video, I'll reveal what not to pack in your personal item to avoid gate chaos, TSA headaches, and in-flight disasters. You won't want to miss it.